Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel, and it's that time again where I test the alarm system of one of my vehicles. I've tested it here on the Shelby and have tested it on the Mercedes. I have tested it on the town car that's covered over there and on the Ford Explorer that's in back there also. So what is left? Well, the truck is left because we've never tested it on the truck. So what I'm gonna do is I will activate the alarm. I'll put my key away so the truck in this case won't sense the key, and we'll try to open it and see what happens, and then I'll reach in through an open window to simulate someone breaks the glass and reaches in and see what happens. Okay, so the truck is in here. It is really warm for Utah in February, like 60 degrees. That is really warm. Normally we have like -5, -10 at times in February. So not sure what's going on outside, but it is warm and it's really windy. That is just a side note, but the truck is in here. The Tesla, we tested the Tesla as well. Go check the video if you want to. Tesla is parked outside right now. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'll activate the alarm. I'll lock the vehicle here at my remote. I'll even push it twice. So it's locked, and some say you have to give it like I think a minute or half a minute or something to activate. Not sure that is true, but here we go. So this vehicle here does not have a light that flashes like the town car has. That light in the middle there that keeps flashing when it's locked. Let's see inside. There's nothing actually flashing that tells you that there is an alarm system on this vehicle, but there is on this one. There's an alarm system on it that checks the whole cab inside and yeah, disables the vehicle. So let's do this. Let's put the key away. I'll go put the key safe spot further away here. Hope that's far enough. I think it could still catch a signal though, but it's far enough to not unlock the doors. Let's go try, see what it does. If it still unlocks it, then we'll do plan B. Now see, doors don't open. Push the button. Does nothing. You can hammer on it, that does nothing. So there's one thing. It does nothing when you just try to unlock the doors. Let's cheat this one. Push the button, nothing. Push these guys here, they illuminate, and nothing else happens. Now the town car, the headlights turn on when you do this. Oh look, I did something. Did you hear that? I must have done one code right because it locked, double locked. Yeah, everything seems to be locked up. Except for this, of course. I have a key in my pocket. So let's leave this open. But the button here to unlock the tailgate does not work. So we cannot open it from the inside. Okay, now we will unlock the truck and reach in. Oh, look at this. It is flashing now. Does anyone know why? I don't. I don't know what's going on there. Now, I'll get my key, open the window, and then when the window is open, I'll reach in and see what the alarm sounds like. And yeah, you know what I mean. So let's try that. Lock the vehicle. And I'll do this live with you guys in my hand. Well, it makes it a little easier and you see exactly what I am doing. Steps come out. Here we are. Okay. There we go. Hope the radio stays off. Let's unlock. Yeah, let's roll this window down. And we turn it back off. And look, alarm, all sensors, and the perimeter sensing is of course activated at the same time. So alarm is on, and we'll lock it. my ski fob twice. Let's see what it does inside. Let's give it a moment to turn everything off, and we'll come back and see what it does, and we'll also check if it sends me a message through the Ford app to my phone. So it should do that. Put the key away even further. There. It should send me a message through the Ford app as well. Okay, let's go through here. It's a little bit less tight. By the way, there's a lot of work still with this truck here, you know. Still has the timing belt, needs to be done. I have to work on the paint, fix a couple things. So if you're interested in that, keep watching the channel. Okay, we'll do the same thing. Nothing, we'll just reach in. There we go. See that? Alright, let's turn it off. Alright, I touched the steering wheel and immediately it started. I mean, that was so fast, I barely touched it and it already started. And it startled me, won't lie. It startled me. Let's try that again. I think it was the steering wheel that it did. It was not the doors, because I didn't try to open them. I should try to climb in. I don't want to do that. But let's try that again and do something else. See what it does. Okay, I lock it. Okay, well locked. Let's not wait as long. Let's just go right at it. Okay, here we are. Reaching in now. I'm not trying touching the steering wheel again. I touch the seat, the belt. That doesn't do anything. Let's grab in here. Oh, I touched the steering wheel again and it did nothing. Did you see that? That's weird. Maybe the key is not far away enough this time. So I'm not sure what's going on, but this time it doesn't seem to care about that. It's really, oh, there we go. Okay, I got it. It's that sensor there that caught it. Okay, guys, I know what it is. Let's get in here. Okay, so it works fine. It is actually not the steering wheel. It's these guys here, I believe. See that? Here and here. Because when I waved my hand up here, it immediately started the alarm. So these guys here, they check and do surveillance in the cab here. So it's a pretty safe system. One thing I haven't tried is open the door, but I already know once I open the door, it triggers the alarm and it will go off immediately. So I'm not gonna try that. Okay, now we know how this works. So one tip, never lock your truck and leave the windows down, because if the wind blows in too much or someone reaches in, well, then it should go off, of course. But if the wind blows too much and something flies in, I don't know, a bee flies in, get in front of the sensor, you will have your alarm go off. Let's look at the phone. Okay, it says, in case you can't read it, it says alarm triggered. So F-150 security alarm system has detected vehicle intrusion and triggered the alarm at 8:43 p.m. the 3rd of February 2025 Mountain Time. So that does work well. See, there's the alarm there, and it says shows you the same message again. So that's good. That's good. I like that. I'm happy with the result of this. I'm glad we tried it. Now, is this a better system than the town car? Oh, I didn't want to start it, but pushed the button too long. Sorry about that. Is this a better system than the town car? Yes, of course, because this here has these sensors there that the town car doesn't have. The town car, you open the door and it turns your alarm on, but I don't think it would do anything if you just quietly snuck into the town car's cabin without opening the door. So good system, works. and I'll leave it at that. I hope nobody steals my truck. Truck's being stolen. All right, guys, this was it. And there again, all sensors on or only perimeter sensing, and what the difference is, I'll put that in the comments or in the subtitles, so you'll see what the difference is. Oh, because this video has been long enough. Okay, if you watched this and liked it, watch my other car videos where I try to trigger the car alarms. The Tesla one is very interesting because it's very different from all the other vehicles. So is the Mercedes, because it has an extra horn, a separate horn just for the alarm system. So watch that and see what that looks like. If you want to do that, go ahead and do that right now. I know a lot of people are not subscribed to my channel, so please do subscribe. And I want to say thank you. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel. So this is only possible because of you guys watching. Have a wonderful evening and see you soon.